Stay a while and listen. The health potion, Tristram's last defense against the Lord of Terror, and your new favorite highball. 5 things go into this brew: cranberry gin, Zubrovka, amaretto, a squeeze of lime, and tonic to top. Start with 1 ounce of cranberry gin. Edinburgh cranberry is the gold standard. Tart, juniper forward, and deep red. Gordon's Premium Pink works as a softer substitute. Add a ½ ounce of Zubrovka. It's a Polish bison grass vodka with a distinct vanilla hay flavor. It's the secret ingredient that makes this taste like magic. Pour in a ½ ounce of amaretto. Disaronno is the classic. Marzipan sweet, nutty, and it rounds out the tart cranberry perfectly. Squeeze in some fresh lime juice. Combine everything in a flask or shaker, pour over ice, and top it off with tonic. Consume as needed.
Even death cannot save you from me.
Come back and sit down for another drink soon.